Good morning, students. Welcome all to this online class. Students, develop a passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow. This is the famous thought of Anthony J. D'Angelo. Now, without any further delay, let's focus on our studies. The chapter which we are covering today is the digestive and excretory system. Currently, we are focusing on the excretory system, and we will study today the working principle of excretory system. But before that, let's take a small recap of the last lecture. As we studied earlier, excretion is a process by which waste or harmful substances formed inside our body is eliminated out. These waste or harmful substances are also known as metabolic waste. Further, accumulation of these waste inside the body is toxic, that is, they are harmful. And the organs which helps in the process of excretion is termed as excretory organs. Now, the excretory organs are specialized organs and helps in removal of unwanted and harmful substances that are formed inside our body. Three types of excretory organs will be discussed here as recommended by a book. They are skin, lungs, and kidney. Skin and lungs are considered as accessory excretory organs. First is skin. Skin contains the sweat glands, and excretion is carried out with the help of production of sweat. And sweat contains excess water and salt, which is released out through the skin of our body. Here the image shows the sweating in a kid. Next excretory organ is lungs. Though lungs is considered as a part of respiratory system, here the diagram of our lungs is shown here. It is also an important organ of excretion because it is responsible for the excretion of gaseous waste. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So with the help of these lungs, the gas carbon dioxide is excreted out. Next is kidneys. It is the main organ of excretion in human excretory system, and it is a bean-shaped structure as shown here. Then the primary function of these kidneys are to eliminate excess water and waste formed inside our body, and the excess water or waste that is formed inside the kidney is termed as urine. Now, the organs of excretory system. Our excretory system is composed of following organs, namely kidney, urinary bladder, ureters, and urethra. As you remember, we have two kidneys, left kidney and right kidney. And these kidney filter the waste from the blood, and thereby they produce urine. Ureters, they arise from the kidney and joins the bladder or opens into the urinary bladder. Then the next is urinary bladder. It is a sac-like structure where urine is collected and stored. Next is urethra. It is a tube arising from the bladder and opens out of the body. So we did up to here, we did in the last lecture. Now today we will see how these excretory organs in excretory system are organized. This is our this is the kidney. Two kidneys are there. In a human body, there are two kidneys, and from both the kidneys, two narrow tubes arise, and these two are known as ureters. Then these two ureters open in the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. And then from urinary bladder, a tube opens known as urethra. So this is how all the organs of the excretory system are arranged and how they are connected in the excretory system. This we can see in this diagram. So the organ system that helps to eliminate waste generated in our body is known as, the system is known as excretory systems. Excretory system. The organs that combines to form the excretory system are kidney, urinary bladder, ureters, and urethra. And all these organs work in unity to excrete the waste or harmful substances that is generated in our body. Now the working principle. The working principle of our excretory system. So impure blood flows into the kidney. These blue color shows the blood vessels which carry the impure blood, whereas the red one shows the blood vessels which carry the pure blood. So impure blood flows into the kidney and then they get filtered. And upon filtration, waste is generated inside this kidney. And this waste is known as urine. This urine then flows through the ureters out of the kidney and collects and stores in the urinary bladder. From here it enters the urinary bladder and stores here in the urinary bladder. And then with the help of urethra, it is released out. With this, the excretory system ends here. Now, the healthy habits, we will study here the healthy habits. In order to keep our body healthy, certain habits we should follow are, we should wash hands before and after every meal. It is essential to keep our body healthy. It is essential for us to wash our hands before and after every meal. Then it is also essential to rinse our mouth after every meal so that the food particles do not get stuck in the teeth, because it will become prone for bacterial growth. Then further, it is advised to eat balanced diet. Then avoid junk food because it is difficult to digest. Further, it is recommended that chew food properly and eat slowly. Otherwise, large particles of food will reach the stomach and increase the stress on the stomach, thereby leading to digestion problems. Further, it is recommended to take fiber-rich food, for example, fruits and vegetables. It keeps the digestive system healthy and also assists easy bowel movement, thereby avoiding constipation. Further, for efficient digestion, it is essential that while eating we should sit and there should not be any hurry, and we should rest a little after eating because muscles of digestive system needs energy. If you run here and there, then the digestive system will not get proper energy to carry out its function. Further, don't sleep immediately after eating. It is recommended that immediately after eating we should not sleep. If we are taking dinner, it should be taken 2 hours before sleeping so that the digestive system also get rest while sleeping. It is also recommended that drink sufficient water. It is good for digestive system and also supports in excretion. Further, avoid accumulation of waste inside our body as it is toxic for our health. And exercise daily. It keeps all parts of our body healthy. As we know that regular exercise makes our body healthy, increases oxygen level, improves blood circulation, rejuvenates our mind and body. Hence, it is essential for us to exercise regularly. Now, with this, the chapter ends here. Now it is time to test your understanding and learning skill. I'll ask questions. Be prepared with your answers. Question number 1 is, we breathe in dash. With the help of your lungs, we breathe in which gas? Do you remember? It is oxygen. Now the next question is, urine forms inside the dash. In which part of our excretory system this urine is formed? Do you remember that? It is quite common. Answer is kidneys. Now the next question is, question number 3 is, tubes that carry urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. So question says, name the tubes which carry urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. That means it is the tubes are arising from kidney and joining or opening into urinary bladder. Do you remember the names of the tubes? It is ureter. Yes. Now the next question is, question number 4. Tube which releases urine out of the body, which releases urine out of the body. So you have to name the tube which arises from the bladder and it helps in releasing the urine out of the body. Do you remember the name of the tube? It is urethra. Now the next question is, name the organs of excretory system. Name the organs of excretory system. So you have studied today the working principle of excretory system. So do you remember the name of the organs which participate in the process of excretion? I hope all are knowing of this. First is kidneys, and from kidneys the tube arises known as ureters, and next is where the urine collects and stores is urinary bladder, and the next is urethra. These are the 4 organs which helps in the process of excretion. Now I'll end up here. We have completed the chapter. It is a lengthy chapter. We have completed digestive system as well as the excretory system. Go through the chapter once so that you can find out your doubts and queries, and which may be cleared later on. So till then, take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.